Hey there, what is up, beautiful world? Welcome back to Mandatory Creations. In today's video, we are going to be making a baby dragon plushie doll. Now, this is actually something I've never made before, so it's going to be kind of an adventure. And since I love adventures, let's jump right into the video. I'm starting with a head already made, so if you're interested in how I make them, you can go to my YouTube channel and find the very first video I ever posted. It is exclusively on how I make faces. And since this creature is going to be a plushie, I've cut out a pattern that I'm going to use. And this is the fur I'm going to be using. I just love this fur. It's so long and soft and curly and oh, it's just lovely. And now that we've got it all cut out, we can start sewing the leg pieces to the body. Alrighty, now that we've got that done, we can start stitching down the neck. I'll add the tummy piece in right about where the front legs start, and then finish stitching down the tail. Alright, I've finished stitching and now we've got this gigantic fluffy bundle. And just in case you can't tell, here are the legs, and here's the tummy. Yep, those are the legs. That's the body. I know it's almost impossible to tell, but it's there, I promise. And I also promise we will cut it and it will look more like a creature instead of a gigantic fluffamuff. And now for the feet. Okay, now that we've got all the pieces, it's time to put them together. Also, while the clay feet were baking, I went ahead and furred the face. If you want to see how I do this, again, you can check out my other videos. I'm just gonna hot glue the feet into the bottom of the legs. Now, I know it's hard to tell, but they are glued on. So now it's time for stitching and stuffing. Now for the head, I'm just gluing the tinfoil to the neck pieces of fabric. Then, with a lot of trimming, a little bit of paint, and a whole bunch of time, this creature is finally done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to have a fantastic day. Stay cool, keep creating, and I'll see you next time.